Hey everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to make a delicious and ultra-nutritious quinoa chia pudding. Perfect for breakfast or dessert, this treat is naturally gluten-free, dairy-free, and loaded with fiber. Let's dive right in. First, you'll need these simple ingredients. 1/2 cup of cooked quinoa, cooled 2 tablespoons of chia seeds, 1 cup of almond milk, or any milk you prefer, 1 tablespoon of honey or maple syrup. Adjust to taste 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla. Extract 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon if you like a little spice. For the toppings, you can go wild with fresh berries like strawberries, blueberries, or raspberries, shredded coconut, dark chocolate chips, chopped nuts, almonds, walnuts, or pecans, your choice. Now onto the fun part. In a bowl or jar, whisk together your quinoa, chia seeds, almond milk, honey, vanilla, and cinnamon. Give it a good mix. Next, cover and refrigerate it for at least 2 hours or even overnight. Don't forget to give it a stir after 30 minutes to prevent any clumping. Once it's thick and creamy, it's ready to serve. Give it one last stir, and top with your favorite fresh berries, nuts, shredded coconut, or chocolate chips. Here are some tips and variations. Mash in a banana for some natural sweetness. Blend the mixture for an ultra-smooth texture. Swap almond milk for coconut milk for a tropical twist. There you have it. A nutritious, tasty, and beautiful quinoa chia pudding. Perfect for any time of the day. Don't forget to layer it in a jar and show off your creative toppings. Thanks for watching and enjoy your healthy treat. See you next time.